Hello guys and welcome back. So I'm currently on the site right now, and then this was the position of the old Bailey Bridge I showed you in my previous video that I said it was dismantled, and now it's totally gone. So we've started excavation for the abutments and the piers in the middle. This excavation you are seeing now is for the abutment, and we'll be going deeper than this. We'll be stabilizing the ground with some boulders. I mean, this is actually the channel for this is the original channel for the river. But if you look at if I show you the back now, you can see we've diverted the river to the back here now, and the new position you are seeing. So this is going to be the location of the river. So we finish with the bridge, and then we can divert it back under the bridge. But for now, where the river was originally existing is where you are seeing now as excavated. So you can see some water, pours around, and we are going to go deeper, as I said earlier, and we are going to stabilize the ground first before we will also do some mass concrete before our blinding even comes, and then a reinforcement. I'll make sure I show you all those videos as the process is going on, so you will see everything. This is just the beginning. This is just the excavation. There are going to be more, and I'll bring you all the details, so you can even see the excavation going on here with the excavator. So he's clearing the place now. He's clearing this place now so that he can come forward a little bit and then go deeper with the excavation. So basically, this is going to be the new bridge site, and this time around it's not going to be a Bailey bridge. It's going to be a reinforced concrete bridge with an abutment and a central pier in the middle. So it's just a two-span. It's a two-span bridge with about two abutments and a central pier in the middle. So yeah, that is it. We are going to get more videos as the construction goes on. Thank you.